Well, we decided to split it up a little bit and share the bounty with a few different folks. So everybody came out, we had a great time, and so it's more than fair to share.
I'm Rochelle Hobbs, I'm your county recorder. As a resident of Mill Creek City, recently I had the opportunity to participate in the Rolling Car Show that Mill Creek City organized. And we were able to use Brad's little blue truck, and it was a wonderful way to reconnect with our families, neighbors, and friends, and it was a wonderful, fun, safe event. Big thanks to Brad, and a big thank you to Unity Car Show Productions.
David Pacheco. I had my car for almost a year. Built it 3 times. It's a 1971 Monte Carlo. Thank you, Unity Car Show Productions.
We had a great time. Richard Wayland. This is a 1968 Triumph TR250. It was built for 1 year only. The kids, the older folks that couldn't get out to see us, you know, in any other show, they got to enjoy a very rare situation.
Congratulations.
Thank you for
Oh,
throwing
yeah.
it all back out. That's the way to go.
So this is the one, so this car was produced 1 year.
1 year only.
And it's in 68? 68. Wow.